Oh wow, my wonderful Blue Yeti came in today. Let me rip this box open and tear it to shreds. Oh, now I'm gonna show the side of the box. Oh, more shots of the side of the box. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, now we're finally getting to what we're looking for. As I massacre this tape with my butterfly knife, keys, that I used to kill 17 children in 1937 with my bare fist and keys. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, I really hope it's not my gigantic 17-inch dildo that I ordered a week ago for my great wife that I love dearly. It appears as though I'm gonna have to teach this tape a lesson. Once again, I will kill them with the same knife that killed 20 children in Afghanistan in 1922. Oh fuck, it's a 17-inch dildo that I ordered for my wife that I love dearly exponentially. I love her so much. No, it's not for me. Oh, wow, the wonderful people at Blue left me a little mint in my package. I'll save that for my wife later. I'll give it to her as a gift with their 17-inch dildo that I'm definitely not gonna put in my ass. Mama always said it's better to have protection and get none than to get none and have no protection, but I got protection just in case this dildo decides to nut in my wife. We don't want no other kid, you know what I'm saying? Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. I have erectile dysfunction.
That looks stupid as fuck.
I actually disagree with this slave I have putting together my mic. It looks quite dapper, if I do say so myself. It's not funny to be protected. You're not cool because you don't wrap your willy. Fuck you. Holy shit, that tip is gigantic. Sweetie, are you sure it's gonna fit? For what you've been waiting for, the mic test. Use your ears to best distinguish the quality of this product. Ah, what a wonderful sound. You can clearly hear the mic's quality at work here. It's so joyous, wonderful, fantastic, all of the above. Now for our second test of the product, I will be doing a sequence of snaps around the mic. I will be testing the directional balls of your balls. Oh fuck, I think I got it stuck. It's completely, oh god, it's wedged in there. I can't get it out. Please help me, please help me. Ah, wonderful. I give the Blue Yeti a solid 6.275 out of 10, and as a dildo I give it 0 stars. 0 stars. Adam and Eve, please give me my money back. That shit hurt like hell.